Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Aries fire sign, your person, current feelings and actions in the month of October. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person, current feelings towards you. The Hanged Man. Queen of Wands. Five of Wands. Ace of Pentacles. Your person want to fight for you. Definitely they want to offer long-term commitment. Right now they are stuck, spiritual awakening. They are thinking, but I think your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. Definitely they are gaining their strength to fight for your attention, and they want to offer Ace of Pentacles long-term commitment to you. Yeah. Lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. Right now they are stuck but thinking to come towards you and offer long-term commitment. Even though they are ready for fight for you, fight for your attention. Queen of Wands. Definitely your person gaining strength. Definitely they stand by their power. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Aries. Justice. Six of Cups. Ten of Wands. Five of Wands and Ten of Wands. Four of Pentacles. They want second chance with you if you are in separation. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Libra. Yeah, Six of Cups. They want reconciliation and you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Ten of Wands. Yeah, right now they are near future actions also. They want but not taking any action, but they will communicate you. Still, at least they will communicate you because they are holding their feelings back. They're scared for something. I don't know what is happened between both of you. And Ten of Wands, they are feeling very burdened. They want to reach out to you and they will make a move and they will ask, at least they will communicate you and they will ask second chance. So let's see some more cards from the universe regarding the connection. Yeah, Page of Wands, communication. I already told you, at least you will get communication. The Hermit, yes. Seven of Swords. Three of Wands, waiting. Yeah, it will take time. Your person take action towards you, but you will get communication 100%. Three of Wands means this could be long distance relationship. One person in this connection is very manipulative, sneaky energy, and this is sneaky energy and miscommunication and false communication. Hermit, yes, I think one person in this connection is spiritually awakening. I think it could be your person. After spiritual awakening, definitely they will communicate you. Page of Wands, communication. I think one person in this connection is younger than the other person. Definitely they will communicate you after the spiritual awakening. You or your person could be Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, lot of earth energy, Aries, Leo, Sag, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius also. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.